Hey, what's going on, everyone? So, as mentioned in the previous video, I do have a Whatnot unboxing here. I do have the box open already, but the actual stuff inside is not quite open yet, still in the bubble wrap. But, anyways, we go. So, that's from King Meyer Diecast on Whatnot. Does not want to focus. Anyways. Alright. Let's get into it. First up, we got a couple premiums in here. So, let's see. Okay. Undone. And you can already kind of tell what one of these is from the back of the card there. Anyways. And I was pretty early into the stream at the time, and I was able to pick this up. A blue Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 from the Boulevard series from last year. This was the wave that it came in. The only two I ever saw in the pigs were the van and the Corvair. Well, I got this for $5. Had a $5 starts on the premiums, and no one else was bidding on it, so I got this for $5. HMC Ray. And you can see number 2 early into the stream. And then I also got Cyberpunk Porsche 911 Turbo 930. The original card release right there. See? Not the gold label on there. They are the regular label there. Got this for $5 as well. No one else was bidding on this. So I was able to pick that up for $5. Pretty cool. And then next up, I got 3 more things here. Alrighty. Let's see what order I want to do with this in. Or, yeah, we'll go this way. So, we have here. It has paid $5 for this one. The 94 Audi Avant RS2 Zamek. But, look at that. From the factory sealed set. Yeah. Oh, that is nice. Look at that Zamek on that Audi. That is awesome. Very cool. Very good shape, too. Awesome. And then next up is one I haven't been able to find this one on the shelves at all, this main line. But I didn't pick this up. This was $5 also, but it is factory sealed. So this is cool to finally have one of these. So this one's obviously going to stay in the package because of that right there. Cool. Awesome. And then lastly, got one more thing here, a little bit older, from 2020. This is 2019 on the copyright there, so this would have been 2020 release. Flying Customs, this C10. 67 Chevy C10. Awesome. I ended up paying $6 for this one. So yeah, look, I tended to bid, put the $5 on the thing. Then as I was bidding the $5, it went to $6. So I ended up getting it though. So pretty cool. I mean, it's a little older one, so you're not gonna find that one on the pegs or anything. So very cool. So yeah, awesome little unboxing here. Thank you all for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.